Yes, I want to share with you today this DryDex. It's a dry time indicator spackle. It's by DAP, DAP. So simple how this works. It's really very, very cool. So if you're doing any kind of housework at all in your house and you do some drywalling, if you have to patch some holes in some walls, this is definitely the way to go. What it works, how it does it is pink container. See this pink lid? Well, the reason why it's a pink lid is because the material is pink. So what that means to you is that you put it on pink, and when it dries, it turns white. And that's really cool because a lot of times you don't know when it's dry and it's annoying. So this way you put this on, it's pink, like you can see here, and when it's dry, it turns white just like this jug here. And then you can sand it down and continue on, and then put another. As it dries, it turns whiter and whiter, and when it turns white, it's totally dry. So I love this product. This way, there's no guessing. It's just easy spackle, easy breezy. You put it on, and when it turns white, it's ready to sand. And if you want to put another coat on, that's all you got to do. Definitely recommend this 100%.